My name's Sean Keating. I have a dental laboratory, full-service dental laboratory in Irvine, California. Yeah, we make teeth for a living. It's kind of a neat job. You know, ever since I got in this field, there's two things that you worry about as a dental technician. Your eyes, and then also you have to wear a mask because you have a lot of flying particles that are kind of invisible. So always have our people wearing our masks and always having them wear their glasses. So we have a lot of silica with the porcelain that we're grinding on. You could see some through the air, a little haze sometimes when there was a lot of grinding. I just really needed something better than we had. You know, I had the best what was available to me in the portable systems out there, but still it wasn't enough. With the AeraMax, it's just been unbelievable the difference. We've got them set up through a whole laboratory, and over 20,000 square feet. You can just smell the difference in the lab when you come in. It's been one of the greatest additions we've done as equipment that I bought for my dental lab. You know, the people that work for me, they work so hard, and it's, you know, we're so successful in our laboratory, but it's not me, it's really our technicians. Our employees are like our family, so for us to be able to offer this to them is just, it's kind of a no-brainer. You know, you might not think you can afford it. You can't afford not to do this. I'm telling you, it's a whole night and day difference from what it used to be.